Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my brand new Popsugar must-have box, the very first one for 2018. So I am so excited. It is a smaller box, so these are like the original boxes that they used to come in, the exact same size. So I am so excited. I'm always excited about the Popsugar must-have box, but for some reason this one just seems extra exciting to me to see how the year may transpire for the rest of the boxes. So let's get this guy open. All right, perfect. So right on top is the card that goes over all of the contents in the box, which I will go over with you while I go through the products. And then it is sealed with little tissue paper and there's stickers. So I don't know what's in here. So let's get started. So this is what the card looks like. It's a really nice, soothing, calming feel to it. So the theme this month is renewed, fresh, nourishing, self-care, snug, and rejuvenated. That sounds perfect for the beginning of 2018. All right, so the first thing I see sitting right on top is the food item. They usually include one food item in every box, and I have found some really nice treats in this box. This one looks like it is a protein bar by RX Bar. Ooh, chocolate sea salt. This is perfect because I am going on a trip and I love to have protein bars around in case I get really hungry on the plane and I don't want to buy anything on there because you guys know it can get a little pricey. All right, so this is called RX Bar. Reward yourself for an excellent day of self-care with a delicious chocolate protein bar. These bars come with simple ingredients like egg whites, almonds, dates, and are gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. They'll keep you full without ever sacrificing nutrition or taste and are the perfect post-workout snack. And this retails for $1.99. I cannot wait to give this guy a try. I think that sounds lovely. So it says almonds, cashews, dates, and egg whites. That is perfect. All right, the next thing sitting right on top looks really interesting. I mean, this looks like a medicine container, doesn't it, guys? Very strange. All right, let's see. Oh, it does say vitamins, hydration. So yeah, it is a liquid and it's not like pills or anything. Oh my gosh, I have to go to the card on this guy because that's very strange to me. All right, so this is Noon Hydration. Strawberry melon is the flavor. Nourish your body with a daily dose of tasty vitamins. This fruity tablet is made with completely clean ingredients, has just 10 calories, and will hydrate you better than water alone. It's packed with electrolytes and vitamins, so you can start the year taking care of yourself. This retails for $7. All right, so that seems really interesting to me. There is an expiration of 10/19 on here. This sounds like something that they're promoting for like hangovers, especially after the new year, with like hydrating and putting vitamins and electrolytes in there. So maybe I will give it a go one night that I have a little too much to drink. I can put this aside and try it out. I mean, maybe it will work. We'll see. The next thing is very large and is bubble wrapped here. I love when they bubble wrap things because it really does help to protect everything, especially if you have liquids in the box, which I've had in the past. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a coffee mug. Yay. I am so excited that it is a sealed coffee mug because I need one and this is going to be perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it already. It has like a gray top to it. And let's see how you open this. Oh, there is like a little sippy part right there. All right, it looks like you just pop the top off. I'm not quite sure what the top part is for. It does look really cute. Maybe you can pull it up, but I don't want to break it. So let's go ahead and see what the card says. All right, so this is called Keep Cup, the original clear edition, and this is 16 ounces. Commit to your resolution to be more eco-friendly this year with a lightweight, reusable coffee cup. The cup looks as beautiful as glass, but is actually made from a clear BPA and BPS-free plastic called Triton. Unlike glass, this cup won't shatter if you drop it. And the suggested retail price of this is $19. I actually do prefer plastic over glass just for that reason, because I want my containers to be lightweight, especially when I am traveling and I put them in my bags. They're usually the carry-on bag, so I just want it to be nice and light. So this is perfect. All right, the next thing I see in here is a beanie. This one has a cute little palm on the top. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. You guys know I live in Boulder, Colorado, so it is really cold right about now. Snowing, freezing temperatures, and I would love a brand new snow hat, and this looks just like something I would love to wear, and it is so soft, guys. Oh, I was hoping it was going to be soft. Well, I do have a ponytail, so it's not like it's going to mess my hair up too much. I do usually like my beanies a little bit bigger than my head, of course, and I have a pretty big head, so I think that looks amazing. I love it. All right, let's see what the card says here. All right, so this is by Hat Attack. It's a lightweight ribbed hat with faux fur palm. Keep warm this month with an ultra soft, adorable hat. The neutral hue will match just about any of your winter coats and scarves. And the cute pom-pom will make you feel like a kid again. Wear it slouchy or cuffed depending on your mood that day. The suggested retail price of this, guys, is $44. I don't know how slouchy I could make this. I guess you could pull it up a little bit. Huh. Yeah, that looks super cute too. Huh. Well, I don't know. It was a little floppy, but I absolutely love it. I think so far this is my favorite thing in the box. Really nice. It looks like there's 2 more things in the box, and guys, we got a calendar. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I am a little disappointed that we got this in January and not in our December box, because I would say most people out there, especially in the planner community, have already gotten their calendars. But guys, this looks adorable. I may have to try and find some use for this calendar. So it says best year ever, and it's a sparkling like holographic silver on there. So adorable. And it is a 2018 Bandu wall calendar. All right, we're gonna have to get this open just so I can show you a couple of the pages, and that may make me keep this calendar. I mean, look at how pretty that is. Look, and it will fit my background pretty well with all the makeup there. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, I may have to keep this, guys, but I don't have any use for it. I already have all my planners and calendars this year, but it is just so lovely. You make it rain rainbows. Oh, this is adorable. All right, let's see what the card says. No excuses for not fulfilling your dreams this year. You'll smile while turning the pages of your brightly hued Bandu calendar. That includes stickers and playful illustrations for every month. It's hole punched so you can easily hang it on your wall, which makes it easy to stay organized all year long. And this retails for $20. All right, guys, you heard that it said we had stickers in here. Oh, there they are right on the back. So it looks like just 1 page of stickers here, but very adorable stickers. So it has fun, work it out, some roller skates there, and a couple vacations. So they're just really fun stickers in there. So that is really nice. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to find a use for it since I already have all my planners picked out, but I might just have to display it because it is just too cute. All right, the last thing in here is also bubble wrap, so I'll get this open. All right, I have to show you. This is like a cute little present. It's like a little box here where there's like a little lid right on top here, and then you just take it out, and there's another little box inside the box here. So they really go to great lengths to keep this protected. Ooh, so cute. Sitting on top, little spatula, and it's magnetized to the top here so you don't lose it. They are really good. I love that. All right, this looks really thick, really like honey. Oh, that is awesome. I am so excited. This is from Pharmacy Beauty. Salvage your skin with this hydrating, weightless moisturizer. It's packed with superfoods, hyaluronic acid, and honey. It's light enough to wear under makeup and moisturizing enough to keep dry skin at bay. The suggested retail price of this, guys, is $45, which is like pretty hefty for a moisturizer, but I do like to spend a little bit more money on my moisturizer, so I am so excited to get this, guys, and it costs more than the whole entire box. So that is exactly why I continue to subscribe to Popsugar, because I find wonderful items just like this that I repurchase. So I am loving Popsugar. This box is no exception. This is probably my favorite thing now, and then the hat second, and everything else is just an extra. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!